Drinking trials!
Yay! Get your ass whooped.
Bullshit. Yep, I don't think you hear that.
Butt nuggets in the other room, finger packing each other's assholes. Woo! Terrible.
Oh, now I'm sober, bitch. Fuck.
On the up and coming!
What am I doing?
Front flip!
Fuck!
Bye, bitch! Oh, god damn it!
Oh, fucking shit!
Sniped it!
Oh my god.
Whoa!
Both had a fault. Look at that bullshit. Less than a fucking...
0.011 seconds.
Fuck, I forgot to tell you, it's putting your settings to busy.
What's that?
Your preferences, your online status, if you set them on busy, you don't have these pop-ups when people's names come up and shit.
Oh, I don't have that.
I didn't play this map last time.
Recover.
Front flips!
Fuck!
You can do it!
You ain't me. You ain't got that beefy swag. Fuck! Fuck! God damn it. Is this the level where I fucking totally had that shit and it took me like 20 minutes to get over that fucking...
What is?
Fuck! Oh, shit. Oh, I failed.
Damn. Big fucking lawn chair underneath that damn thing.
I barely made that.
Loading.
Downtime!
Alrighty. 3, 2, 1.
Oh, shit.
I'm gonna fucking flips. Holy shit.
How did you manage to pull that out?
Pure swag.
Oh,
dude.
this is it. I got this. I got this. Oh.
Oh, God damn it.
God damn it. What the
Damn.
fuck?
I made that. You did.
Where is your swag now?
Right here, hauling ass.
Holy shit. He launched backwards. Thank God I have enough forward momentum. Ugh.
Still barely bleeding.
What? What'd she do?
She looked up at me and then just goes,
That was weird.
Goober. For those of you who don't know, that's my daughter I'm talking about. 3 months old, she's a total hard ass. Oh, she's a bad motherfucker.
God damn. I let it
Flips on
wheels
flips
down.
on flips.
I let it wheels down. What happened?
Oh, that was.
Oh, I pulled that out somehow. Fucking damn.
It's not what she said. You did not pull that out that somehow.
I pulled that out because you're crazy.
That was the laziest jump. Barely got. Almost there. I'm gonna need you to fuck up bad.
No.
Just miss it by a mile.
You'd have to have me
Slap
do
the top bar and not fall in.
Go into the top bar and get stuck. Like, what the fuck is happening?
Hey, I did that like every time last time, and I still won.
No, when we first started playing, we kept doing that. We'd hit the damn railing and just get stuck in it.
That was you trying to bail out on the wood plank map, and your arm would get stuck every fucking time.
Shut up.
DNFs all day. Woo!
On some ass.
What are you doing back there? Is your finger popping an asshole? You just Not doing anything.
No! Fuck!
Oh, suck my dick! Oh, look at that swag right there. I'm fucking up.
Swag fest right there.
I don't know what that was. Oh, no.
I pulled it out, yes.
Again.
Oh!
God damn it.
You almost fucked up.
Oh, I did fuck up. I somehow pulled it out.
Oh my god.
10 down. Underdog story right here. Got a cool bag.
You need me DNF.
No, I don't. I just need you to fuck up a lot.
DNF.
No. Just fuck up a shitload. You don't have to necessarily be an F.
Not true.
Fuck up! I'm opening up a mat store. My slogan's gonna be, come to my mat store. I got mats on mats on mats. Fuck!
Well, I done do.
God damn it!
What the fuck was that?
Twice? Same fucking thing in a row? Massive amounts of failure? Bunny hop, style voice.
Whoa! I'm still there. Well,
I'm not gonna win. Fuck it.
nah, I can DNF and still win. We'll ride it out, see how bad it is though.
That's wrong. It's not as bad as that ass whooping I gave you the other day. What was that, 94 to 50 something?
Hey, I'm not gonna work on that.
DNF 4 times, still with gas. Woo! Whooping that ass.
Shit. What? What? Fuck. Damn it.
Fuck.
Oh, damn it.
Victory pop. I am off the screen.
I fucked up.
Yeah, you
That was weird.
That was a terrible noise. Sounded like a velociraptor having the hiccups.